Hi business owners, today I'll show you how to create a forecast in less than a minute. Yes, less than a minute and not less than a day. Just go to RyzUp Sheets, select the forecast type, monthly, select the date, starting date range, starting month, and just put number of years and click on generate forecast. Sit back, relax, sip your coffee, and let RyzUp Sheets do the work for you. Here it has started its magic. It started creating your forecast. So let me show you how this works. It is creating a P&L and a cash flow forecast. Here it's giving you all the assumptions that you could also change while this is building the forecast. And as uh, it is processing the data, it will create a lot of other tabs that will give you your forecast in less than a minute. So here is your input sheet where you can play around with the assumptions. Here is the forecasted output for the profit and loss account. Here is the cash flow forecast that RyzUp Sheets is working on. And as we stay here, we will see how the magic works. Here you can see it has generated a cash flow forecast input sheet where you can change your inputs. And here is another forecast that you could play around with. It also provides you a dashboard that you can clearly see how your gross profit and other key metrics work, and you can customize this dashboard according to your requirements.